How to use drawing tool in PRIMEXBT. Are you guys facing issues to use drawing tools on PRIMEXBT website? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open Chrome on your laptop or mobile devices. After you open the Chrome, search for PRIMEXBT website. As soon as you enter the PRIMEXBT website, log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, you'll be able to see this chart type. Now, simply click on this icon which is next to this clock icon. Tap on this drawing tool. After you click on it, you'll be provided with multiple drawing tools at this point. Now, select the one according to your preference. For example, I use rectangle to mark out fair value gaps, or you can simply know it as imbalances. To use the drawing tool, just simply click on the mark or chart. After you click on the chart, now adjust the rectangle using this dot icon. So as you guys can see, our rectangle has been marked, which is simply known as fair value gap. And that's it guys, that's how you're going to use drawing tools on PRIMEXBT. If you guys want to use another drawing tool, just select the one according to your preference. If you want to use straight line, just simply click on chart and drag it. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.